Hey guys, what's up, what's happening? I hope you all are well. Today I'm going to be showing you something I made myself, which is a replica of the Rubicon sparkling mango drink. It's you can find it, it's quite rare to see in Pakistan, but it's you can like walk into any corner shop in the UK and it'll be there. Basically, this is our glass. You can use any glass, and I unfortunately am not giving like proper measurements of how much I'm putting in because I don't even know myself. Anyways, we have Sprite over here. I've tried this with 7-Up and it tastes, it kind of changes, but that's why I've tried with Sprite, and with Sprite it seems good. But anyways, basically all we want to do is we want to put some in. We don't want to put too much in or else it'll mess up. That's it. That's all the Sprite. That's basically, of course every glass varies how much goes in. That's basically around this much, and that's in accordance with this glass. Next you want to grab this, not the Chonsa, just the Royal Mangoes Fruit Vital juice. Give this a good shake, and we want to just add this in as well. Ooh, okay, we just want to add this in as well, and I would like to say that if you shake the Sprite, it would of course taste a bit more fizzier. We just want to fill the rest up with that. And now for a taste test. It tastes pretty good. Immediately you have the taste of the mangoes, then whilst during the sip you get the taste of the Sprite, and then of course at the end you get a taste of the Sprite and the mango. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to shake this up. Now that's very carbonated. Now I'm going to open this. Oh, it's going everywhere. Okay. And now I'm going to pour this in. Now this will really bring this drink to life. And now let's give it a test. And now this tastes exactly like the sparkling mango drink from Rubicon. It's quite surprising that it's so close in taste. This is literally exactly like theirs. Thank you for watching. Comment down below how you feel about this, and if you've tried this, how did it taste? And with that being said, catch you in the next one. Peace be upon you all.